Coelom. Coelom is a body cavity ma. The animal having that body cavity, that is called coelom. Okay ma. So the rabbit is a coelomatic animal. Okay. So the body is divisible into thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Two cavity, that is one is thoracic and another one is abdominal cavity. Okay yeah. So this cavity is separated by a transverse partition that is called diaphragm. Transverse partition that is called diaphragm. Okay ma. So diaphragm is the characteristic feature of mammals. Okay. So diaphragm is a characteristic feature of mammals. Breathing movements are brought by that movement of diaphragm. So breathing movement only by the diaphragm. இது வந்து சுருங்கி விரிகிறதுனால. ஓகே அம்மா. ஸோ thoracic cavityனா இந்த செஸ்ட் மார்பரையும் அண்ட் தட் அப்டாமினல் ஸ்டொமக்கு இதையும் பிரிக்கக்கூடிய அந்த இதுக்கு தான் பேர் என்ன பேர் டயஃப்ராம். ஓகே உதரவிதானம்னு சொல்கிறது டயஃப்ராம். ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஸோ இன் திஸ் thoracic cavity the lungs and heart lies in the thoracic cavity. And that abdominal cavity enclose the digestive system and that urogenital system. Digestive system and urogenital system. Okay. So in the digestive and urogenital system, only in that abdominal cavity, the lungs and heart is in that thoracic cavity, lies in the thoracic cavity. Okay yeah. So next we see the digestive system. Next we see the digestive system. Okay ma. Digestive system. So this is digestive system of rabbit. Digestive system of rabbit. Just you see that. So digestive system include that alimentary canal. Digestive system include alimentary canal and that digestive glands. Okay. So alimentary canal and digestive glands, some of the glands. So that is digestive glands. So that alimentary canal consists of what? Starting from mouth. Here mouth. Okay. So first is mouth, next buccal cavity, then pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine. Okay amma. Then cecum, large intestine, small intestine, large intestine, cecum. Yes, this is cecum. Okay amma. This is cecum. Small intestine, large intestine and anus. Okay amma. And anus. Okay. So starting from mouth, end to anus. Okay, this is the digestive system. Starting from mouth, ends into anus. Okay amma. So mouth is a transverse slit. Already you know that. Not here, but you know that. Then bounded by a upper and lower lips. Just we see this. Yes. It leads into buccal cavity. அதுதான் அப்படியே எதா மாறுது buccal cavity. That floor of the buccal cavity is occupied by a muscular tongue. So இந்த இடத்துல தான் என்ன இருக்கும்? Tongue. Muscular tongue. buccal cavity na வாய்க்குழின்னு சொல்கிறது. Okay. So occupied that muscular buccal cavity. It leads into buccal cavity. That buccal cavity is occupied by a muscular tongue. Okay. Then jaws bear teeth. தாடைகள் இருக்கும், அதில் என்ன இருக்கும்? Teeth also present in the jaws. Okay. Then the buccal cavity leads into esophagus. Buccal cavity here, buccal cavity, it leads into esophagus. It opens into the stomach. So that esophagus open into the stomach, followed by what? Small intestine. So it followed by small intestine. Okay ma. Small intestine. Next one, cecum. This is what ma? This is cecum. Okay. Cecum is present between the small intestine and that large intestine. Cecum is present between the small intestine and the large intestine. It is the junction of the small and large intestine that is called cecum. That is called what ma? Cecum. Okay, that is called cecum. So it contains bacteria. It contains what ma? Bacteria. What is the use of this bacteria? Digestion of the cellulose. This bacteria helps to digest the cellulose food. Okay. The small intestine, after that small intestine opens into that large intestine. Opened into the large intestine. So large intestine has colon and also rectum. Colon and also rectum. So that rectum finally opens into anus. The rectum finally opens into anus. Okay ma? So it is opens in that outside. Finally it is opens into that outside. You know that? Starting from mouth, end to anus. Okay, do you understand that? So buccal cavity, it leads to esophagus, then it opens into stomach, it followed by small intestine. So that rectum, cecum is present at the junction of that small and large intestine. Small intestine followed by large intestine. So it contains colon and rectum. Then the rectum, after that, finally opens into anus. Okay. Next one, we see the digestive glands. So digestive system includes what? Alimentary canal and digestive glands. So digestive glands is glands are salivary glands, gastric glands, liver, pancreas and intestinal glands. Okay. So that digestive glands are salivary glands, gastric glands and liver, pancreas and intestinal glands. The secretion of digestive glands help in digestion of food. So digestive glands, what is the use of the digestive glands? Digestion the food. Digest the food in that alimentary canal. Digest the food in that alimentary canal. Okay ma? Yes. Next we see the dentition. Dentition in rabbit. Dentition in rabbit. Okay ma? So So this is dentition of rabbit. This is dentition of rabbit. Okay ma? So the dentition in that, it is a hard bone like structure. So the teeth is a hard bone like structure. Okay ma? It is used to, what is the use of the teeth? Cut and grind that food materials. Cut and grind the food materials. Okay. So that rabbit has 2 sets of teeth. Okay. So the sets of teeth in life of animals is called dibiodont dentition. This is called dibiodont dentition. 2 types of teeth. Okay. So that is that milk teeth and that permanent teeth. 2 types of teeth. One is milk teeth. It is the young ones having that milk teeth, and that permanent teeth, it is in adult one. Okay. That rabbit, the teeth are different types. So this dentition is called heterodont. Okay amma? So different types of teeth is present in rabbit, then only it is called heterodont. There it is 4 kinds of teeth in mammals. Okay. That first one is incisors. You see that incisors? Yes, this is incisors. Then canines. Then premolars and molars. Premolars and molars. Canines is absent in that rabbit. Okay. So it is given in the dental formula. Dental formula of rabbit. So dental formula is the very simple method how to write. So representing the teeth of the mammal. Okay. So that first one, the number of each kind of tooth in upper arms and lower jaws on one side is counted. So how to write? One side is counted first. The dental formula, first one is incisors. It represents eye. Then canines. Canines, it is represented C. So here it is absent. Then premolar, it is represented as PM. Then molar, it is represented as M. Okay, ma? So the dental formula is I. So I is here 2 in the upper jaw, lower jaw is 1. So 2 by 1, comma. So canines. Canines is absent, so 0 by 0. Then premolar is in that upper jaw is 3, in that lower 2, so that is 3 by 2. Then molar is in that upper jaw is 3 and the lower jaw also 3, so there is 3 by 3. Okay, so in that rabbit, so we have to write the formula 2033 by 102 by 3. 2033 by 1023. Okay, ma? So canines are absent, you know that, yes. So that gap between incisors and premolars, so this on the gap, there is no teeth. So this place there is no teeth, it is a gap. It is present in rabbit. So the incisors, the premolar is that gap between the incisors and premolar is called diastema. So this is called diastema. You see that? This is diastema. So it helps to mastication. Mastication means crushing that food, okay? And crushing and chewing the food in herbivorous animals. Crushing and chewing that food in the herbivorous animals. Okay, ma? So this is the dentition of rabbit. This is the dentition of rabbit.